Hi, welcome to Gulf Coast Wellness. I'm Dr. Peter Shark, the acupuncture physician here, and we're going to talk today about what kind of person comes to a natural medicine clinic. When I first moved to Florida from San Francisco, several people made the same comment to me. They said, "How are you going to have a clinic in Florida? Won't that be difficult? It's so conservative there." I'm up in Northwest Florida. It certainly is conservative here. But I found that very surprising because the last time I checked, natural medicine doesn't have anything to do with politics. There's no conservative or liberal approach to natural medicine. It has nothing to do with that. It has to do with bodies. The other concern people sometimes have is that there might be a religious or a spiritual kind of bent to it that might not match their own personal religious or spiritual beliefs. So let me tell you that that's just not the case. There is no religious element to Chinese medicine or to natural medicine. There is no spiritual element to it, not the kind I practice anyway. And contrary to popular belief, there's no energy medicine element. It's really interesting that this idea that acupuncture, Chinese medicine, is based on energy is so popular in the United States because this medicine is 2,000 years old and not a single person suggested that it was an energy medicine until 1935. So from zero to 1935, no energy medicine. Suddenly in 1935, a French diplomat who's not a Chinese medicine doctor or any kind of doctor suddenly decided that it was energy medicine based on a very poor translation that has been debunked many times over by many different scholars. So if there's no politics, there's no religion, there's no energy, what is it? So the natural medicine that we practice in our clinic is based on physiology and anatomy of the actual human body and how it all works together. We do holistic treatment. We use a functional analysis of organ systems. We look at blood flow and circulation. We look at nutrition and digestion, all physical elements. And then we seek to correct that function through whatever natural approach works for that type of problem. So whether that's acupuncture, Chinese herbs, nutrition, supplementation, whatever it is, the approach that works for that problem is the approach we're going to pick. So who are the people that come in then? We have a few types of people that are coming in. One is the person who's just in pain. Usually this person's already tried some conventional medicine. They've maybe tried steroid shots, surgery, medication. It's not working for them. And they really need something else. That's a very common type of patient. Also, we have the patients who just don't want to do the medication or surgery for whatever reason. Maybe they're worried about the addictive medications or they're worried about side effects. Those people will come in to avoid those treatments. We also do have patients who just don't like the medical establishment. Certainly, there are people that just don't like the way that medicine is done. They don't feel listened to in our current system, and they don't feel like that system has solutions for them. We definitely get some of those. On the flip side, we also get people who have always had complete faith in conventional medicine, who something happened to them. They did all the treatments their doctor said to do, and for some reason, they just didn't get better. And after a long time of not getting better, they usually seek alternative options. We also have patients who just have really complex illnesses, and their complicated illnesses do not have an effective treatment or diagnosis. That is a really common patient in our clinic because we do a really truly holistic intake and exam. We're able to treat really complicated patients that are not easily treated in conventional medicine with its whole system of specialists. So really, the type of person who comes in is just somebody who's looking for solutions to their health problems and is willing to just do whatever's effective. They're not married to one single idea of how to approach their health. They're just willing to do whatever will work to make them better. So if that's you, certainly going to a natural medicine clinic would be a great idea. And if you're in Northwest Florida or Lower Alabama, we're here in Pensacola and we'd love to meet you.